me that's not interesting. We are gonna dive into the science behind your brain rewiring itself and how you could use it to boost your performance and change your habits. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change its structure and function in response to experience. Now, when you learn something new or when you learn a new skill, maybe solve a problem or even think differently, your brain reshapes and forms new neural connections. According to a study, it says taxi drivers have a larger hippocampus region, a region responsible in spatial memory, thanks to years of navigating the city. Imagine you are a taxi driver. Now this person comes rushing to you with a choking puppy. What do you do as a taxi driver? You got to know the fastest and the easiest route or the route to get to the nearest clinic. Sometimes you don't necessarily use GPS or Google Maps. You know to drive. So what happens? You tend to remember the directions, and that increases the volume of your hippocampus. So that rewires your brain. As a taxi driver, you tend to have a larger hippocampus area. And also, plasticity happens on multiple levels, from individual neurons forming new synapses to entire brain regions, reshaping over time. How do you rewire your brain? It starts with repetition. Imagine you want to build or start a new habit, let's say meditation. I'm telling you, the first few times are really hard. It's really hard. But as you keep on repeating, your brain tends to form new connections and strengthens the relevant areas, the relevant neural circuits. This is called Hebbian learning. Hebbian learning. Over time, these circuits become more efficient until the habit becomes automatic. You want to break a bad habit? That takes plasticity too. But it requires not activating the old neural circuits, instead reinforcing a new one. The old neural circuits are weakened by a process called synaptic pruning. You can use certain scientifically backed strategies to supercharge your neural plasticity. Let's talk about a few. The first is something we all know and love: sleep. During sleep, you've heard about different cycles, stages, especially when it comes to deep and REM cycle. Brain consolidates neural pathways. That's why when you get deep and REM cycles, your memory is increased. You get a good memory. That's how important sleep is. So cramming all night it's not going to work in the long run, because your memory is not superb. Sleep actually helps to consolidate your memory. Next is exercise. Physical activity increases the stimulation of a molecule called BDNF, which supports the growth and survival of neural pathways or neurons. It's incredible, right? Your brain is not fixed. It's an ever-changing system. And you, my friend, you are the sculptor. If you found this fascinating, hit the like button and stay tuned. See you soon. Until such time, keep learning, keep rewiring. Catch you soon.